Why it's not filling my order? I mean, excuse me? Excuse me, what the fuck is going on? Bro, can you fucking close the trade? No, why? At one point I had $5,000 in the position. As soon as I seen one little red candle after 2 billion fucking green candles, I decided, well, it's the time. The fuck that? Come on, man! Come on, shit! I can't trade one direction. I can't, it's just impossible. So I just increased my daily loss limit a little bit by $11 million. So now the plan was very simple. Everything on black. Take profit is not that.
Borrow cum shot.
Excuse me, what did you do? You throwing 300 contracts on me. Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We hit my break even. Now we wanna go down?
Yes.
Sure. No, you're such a piece of dog shit. I fucking hate you. I hate you. I swear on God right now. Tell me that market makers are not watching me. I'm losing my fucking mind already. I'm losing my fucking mind. I was stopped out 1 minute ago at the break. God damn it. Fucking hurts. Ooh, as soon as I got stopped out, Welcome to a weekly recap.
Hi.
For those who don't know me, my name is DOMOOORE, I'm 24 years old and I'm trying to quit my job through trading already for 1 year. Around 8 months ago I started to learn order flow, and it's very ironic because since then I started to be a real profitable trader. Before that, for 4 or maybe 5 months I was consistently losing money. Overall I made from trading approximately $10,000, and right now my goal is scaling. I know that my edge is working, my strategy is working, psychology is okay, but my size is relatively small. And I'm not talking about my dick, okay?
Well, he's small as well.
What an actor. In reality, my dick is big for 10 years old child. Brother, can you shut the fuck up? What if it's somebody's first impression on you? So they just found the gold or diamond, or shut the fuck up. Alright, let's get back to business. So in the beginning of this week, I already had 3 funded accounts and I tried to pass my 2 evaluation accounts for the entire previous week. I'm so tired of this shit, man. I'm so fucking... That is bullshit. Go fuck yourself. That's impossible. That's impossible. No, I'm fucking retard. I'm retard. I can't trade, блядь. I'm so painful. That guy stopped out at break-even. After 8 months, this is the worst week I ever traded. I guess I'm done with trading, man. Just look at my trade. This is the guy who is profitable for 8 months. I'm so glad that 8 months ago, or actually 1 year ago, I decided to connect my life with trading. The worst day my life ever experienced. So I just destroyed my mental health for fun, I guess, and my bank account. So my plan for Monday was very simple, at least pass these 2 accounts from the previous week, and all my 500 accounts start to copy trading, without full porting, just trade, step by step, little by little trades. By the way, if you're using Lucid like I do, you can use code MOORE for the best available discount. From working to trader, day 222. Funny enough, at the beginning of this day, I said that I love this number, 222. I was born at August 22, which means my birthday will be in the next week. And I created this YouTube channel on my birthday, so at August 22. Unfortunately, that was 2023, not 2022, but it is what it is. So I said in the video, well, today is my lucky day because today is my lucky number. Yeah, right. Today is my favorite day. It's supposed to be a good number to pass this 2 evaluation accounts. So the trading week started from 2 missing trades. Because I was looking at my phone and reading the messages from my mentor, which is very important for me to fix your mistakes from the previous week. But that's absolutely fine. You missed the trades? No big deal. Because within like 5 minutes, I found really nice setup and I opened my long. Very classic trade for me. If you're watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm looking for absorption from my zones. Absorption is bubbles from the sellers or from the buyers. So if we are looking for shorts, we're looking for the green bubbles. If we're looking for longs, we're looking for red bubbles. So there was 400 contracts from the sellers, which means I opened beautiful long. The only one concerning thing that right after I opened my trade, within like 1 minute, some fucking market maker just throw 400 200 contracts from the buyers, which means we could be absorbed and I can be stopped out as well. So very fast I just moved my stop loss to break even. Again, it's something that I'm not used to do. I'm not using break evens at all. But at this situation it was really good confirmation for me to just to make sure that everything is gonna be fine. But something was really off. The platform was kind of slow. The platform was lagging or something, you know. So eventually the price hits my take profit. And for some reason my order didn't fill.
Why it's not filling my order?
And I was like, holy shit, not again, because for me it's very common situation that price edging me every single fucking day. So I was like, fuck it, let's just wait. And eventually price hits take profit second time. And guess what? The order is not closing.
Excuse me, what the fuck is going on? Bro, can you fucking close the trade? No, why?
And that's when I just find out that platform is not fucking working. What a beautiful Monday, what a lucky number day. What an ironic bullshit situation. In the previous week when I was blowing accounts every single day, sometimes 2 accounts, sometimes 4, sometimes 6 accounts a day, the platform was working perfectly, no issues at all. But today these 2 fucking cursed accounts decided, well, fuck it, we're gonna break the platform. But I was lucky enough, maybe. Well, it wasn't luck, it was skill. Because I'm skillful trader. Skillful?
Skilled?
Bro, I'm about to destroy this fucking English. How to say that I have skill in trading? Why the fuck do you asking me? Bro, I'm definitely slow in the head. At one point I had $5,000 in the position and the price didn't even hit my break even. It was just gorgeous entry. I wish I can hit this trades every single day, but nope. I'm trading only 1-to-1 and usually it's not happening like that. Usually we hit take profit and then we reverse. And finally, after 20 minutes, these 2 accounts were passed. Thanks fucking God. But unfortunately I was drained enough. From the last week, from this Monday, I wasn't happy at all. I felt a little bit relief, but bro, you just destroying me mentally from the very beginning of this week. Why? Doesn't matter. W is W, we're moving forward. From Worker to Trader, day 223, Tuesday. That was the first day ever that I'm trading 5 funded accounts at the same time, so I'm copying all of them. And I finally stopped full porting, which means my mental health supposed to go up. And it did. Of course, I felt a little bit of stress because I'm copy trading 5 accounts and it's my first trade in funded accounts. But at the same time, bro, after previous week, after this all full port bullshit, fuck it. I feel relief at the same time. The plan was simple, just one trade, stop loss or take profit, doesn't really matter. The Tuesday was very simple day, just basic classic situation. I was looking for a pullback from my zone. As soon as I seen the confirmation, I opened my trade. And what I do like, I opened this trade following the trend, which for me is really fucking hard. Like I feel like a god when we are in a sideways, but I do feel like an idiot when we're following only one direction. I'm always getting fucked in those days. But on a sideways, everybody's screaming, how the fuck you can trade this price action? What the fuck is going on? I ended up these days in take profit. Vice versa. Oh, this is such a beautiful day. You can buy every fucking minute. DOMOOORE got fucked. So today, after I spoke with my mentor, he explained me my mistakes. I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna follow in the trend. Plus, it's short positions, which is I feel a lot more comfortable. Why I'm doing these movements?
We have to bomb Venezuela.
By the way, the price almost hit my stop loss, but because I'm trading from my zones, I understand that probably the price can a little bit break my zone and then go down. So it's very common situation that we edge in my take profit or stop loss. It is what it is. But that wasn't a mistake. Maybe I could find the better entry, but come on, your trades can't be perfect. Trend, level, confirmation, absorption, everything was perfect, so I just hit my take profit just like that. Beautiful. From Worker to Trader, day 224. Wednesday started off me talking to myself for 10 fucking minutes. I didn't check that my microphone didn't work. It is what it is. But what I do like, I wasn't pissed at all. It didn't impact on my trading anyhow. Usually some technical issues like that were impacting on my trading and those days ended up with its stop loss. Pretty obvious. But new DOMOOORE is not that weak. This Wednesday was the best trading day I ever fucking seen in my life. At least it feels like it. Very clean. I wasn't even arguing with myself. Because it was that clean, I was like, everything looks very suspicious. Each 2 or 3 minutes, the guy was throwing 250 contracts from buyers, so which means we're looking for absorption.
That's fucking wild. This brother is throwing 250, 250, 250 when I trade against this guy.
And I was like, no fucking way. There is no sellers, only buyers throwing contracts. And I was like, pretty fucking suspicious. Especially I'm looking for absorptions, like I said. So for me, I was like, so we're gonna go short? Yes, we do. Yes, we did. By the way, the Friday trade was very similar to Tuesday, same short, same take profit, but take profit was a little bit lower, which could be edged, but because of this amount of buyers, I was like, fuck it, we're gonna absorb the shit and we're gonna fly to the downside. So nice and easy, we hit my take profit without even hesitation. Beautiful. Which is an uncommon situation for me. Especially after previous week and all this journey, bro, I was so happy to see this clear price action. God damn. I wish every single day will be like that, but nope. Because in the next day, I was fucked up so fucking hard. God damn! From worker to trader, day 225. Ladies and gentlemen, today I got fucked completely. So the previous week destroyed me mentally like crazy, but I'm not pussy. I'm trying to find what's going on, what was the issues and everything like that. So I talked to my mentor and he told me like, well, for the 8 months you trade in the same shit. You're always trying to counter the trend. You're not following the trend. And I was like, well, it is makes sense. I'm trading 1-to-1, but because I'm trying to grow in the future, I have to at least follow in the trend as well. Like it's the simplest thing ever. But in order to follow the trend, you have to have strong bias for the day. So I spoke with my mentor like, yo, I forgot how to do it. Explain me again, blah, blah, blah. So for a couple of hours, he were explaining me how to manage your bias for the day. So wait a second, DOMOOORE. How you got fucked? You spoke with your mentor for a couple of hours. You took notes. Now you understand that you have to follow the trend, bias and everything like that. What's going on? Well, very fucking simple. I actually knew that we're gonna fly up, but the problem is every time when I'm guessing correct movement, and if, God forbid, I miss this fucking trade, I'm gonna have huge FOMO and I will try to what? To counter the trend, of course, again and again. If I were looking for longs and we fly at 500 points to the upper side, there is no way that I'm gonna look for longs again. Fuck that, I'm gonna counter the trend. Stupid. Which is huge fucking problem. But come on, man, I were doing this for 8 months. I can't switch like that. So as you already guessed, we started to fly to the moon and I tried to find this beautiful short. I was so fucking pissed that you actually can buy every single candle and make money for this day. And 5 minutes before New York open, I already knew that it's going to happen.
Today bias is longs. Damn, my bias for today was long and like I thought, we're not gonna give the entry. I said it's gonna be long and I can't find the entry. That's insane. Entry could be everywhere. Goddamn.
I just couldn't find the fucking entry. By the way, my mentor couldn't find the entry too. But he's mentally fucking beast, bro. So he was just chilling. Like, no entries, no problem. But not fucking for me, not for me, buddy. And again, don't get me wrong. I still can counter the trend. At least I have to wait for the beautiful confirmation from my beautiful level. What did I do? As soon as I seen 87 contracts from the buyers in the middle of nowhere, as soon as I seen one little red candle after 2 billion fucking green candles, I decided, well, it's the time.
The fuck that? Come on, man. Come on, shit. Come on, man. What the fuck am I even doing? God damn.
Can you even imagine God stepped out that stupidly? After this beautiful prediction from my side. But at least I did have restrictions that I was talking to you about in this video. Because of the restrictions 8 months ago, I became a profitable trader. Restrictions and order flow. So if I will hit stop loss, I couldn't even overtrade because my account will be locked out automatically.
Yeah, right.
In Lucid, for some stupid reason, you can actually change your daily loss limit after you took a trade. In Top Step, which is not advertisement, if you took a trade today, you cannot change your daily loss limit, which is very important. As you already guessed, because my ego was destroyed so fucking stupidly, I decided, well, it's time to increase my daily loss limit. Never fucking do this shit. But I did one correct decision, at least. I increased my daily loss limit by another $400. So I didn't remove it completely. I knew that my psychology, to be honest, I understood this in the moment. I can handle 2 losing trades. It's gonna be painful as fuck. I'm gonna be destroyed for the rest of the day, but at least I'm gonna survive this. And tomorrow I can come back. If I will blow all 5 accounts today, I'm not going to come back. I'm gonna be depressed as fuck. Plus, I do have a job, so I wouldn't be able to find another trade. So I increased my daily loss limit by 400. Guess what? I was looking for longs, which is okay. Like, you get fucked in shorts. Now we're looking for longs because we're clearly trying to push up. So I opened long. Everything's good. Until the moment when I seen confirmation that we might be gonna be absorbed and we will go down. Nice to meet you, my name is DOMOOORE and I'm looking for absorptions to go down for 8 months. Of course, bruh. It's so fucking cringy. I just reversed my position. Especially, I did this once I had minus $300 in the position. What I was even thinking. So I opened my short position and it wasn't even 1-to-1 because I didn't have enough drawdown. My position was 1-to-5 for risk to reward because I wanted to cover all these losses back. Risking with $200. What a beautiful decision, DOMOOORE. What the fuck are you even doing?
Greedy piece of shit.
And classic situation. Of course, right after I reversed my trade, we just fly to the moon. And eventually my take profit on the second trade that I reversed wouldn't be hit so easily with one fucking candle. God damn it!
I can't trade one direction. I can't. It's just impossible. It's just impossible for me. I was in... my bias was long. Since the moment I told you about longs, we went 400 points. I can't trade this shit.
And just like that, our beautiful daily loss limit was hit. $830 in one account and $850 across 4 accounts. God damn it, fucking hell, what am I even doing? Bro, it's so fucking stupid. I thought I'm done with this bullshit that I'm breaking my discipline, everything. Bruh, I even had restrictions, what the hell? But at least I'm giving myself a credit here. I didn't increase my daily loss limit again. I was like, fuck it, stop loss. I'm gonna feel bad, but at least I do have opportunity to come back tomorrow. The old DOMOOORE will blow the shit immediately. So I went on my job and all Thursday I was thinking about Friday. Maybe we can cover our losses. Maybe we can risk with $800 to target $800 and close this week beautifully. And thinking about this for the rest of the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, DOMOOORE is a winner. DOMOOORE made it. But nope, wait a second, it's not discipline. We have to risk $400. Okay, but what if we will hit W and then we're gonna risk again $400? And then we might be able to hit 800. But what if it will be stop loss and we're going to lose again money? Bro, I don't fucking know what to do. And with this chaos, we're starting from worker to trader day 226. I swear, either Friday or Monday, I'm always getting fucked. Maybe I have to trade only 3 days of the week. Well, at Thursday I get fucked as well. So maybe it's not a day. Maybe it's problem in you, you stupid idiot. Nah. What a fucking dumbass. So Friday with all this chaos in my head, I was like, well, let's decide after first trade what's going to happen next. That's your plan? Decide after trade? Beautiful, DOMOOORE. And this guy's fucking profitable for 8 months? God damn. And for some reason, the Friday is the day of manipulations in my head. And bro, in 4 minutes from the market open, we had 2 beautiful setups. And the price was moving so fucking fast that I just missed these 2 entries.
Unbelievable. What a setup. Straight to take profit, goddamn. Literally the candle was going down and then we just flip it. How the fuck you have to find the entry there?
Pretty fucked up situation, and of course I did have some FOMO. And this is actually a very important lesson. If you broke your discipline yesterday and it's ended up with a chaos, with pain, with breaking your rules, you don't have to trade the next day. Like the best case scenario to just skip this day because it's going to impact on you. In a normal day, I missed 2 trades, nobody give a fuck. But at Friday after Thursday, I was so fucking pissed, bro. So maybe because of the Thursday, maybe because of the previous week, maybe because I'm in general slow in the head. For some reason, I just decided, well, in the middle of chaos, in the price section, literally bubbles was green, red, green, red, green, red. DOMOOORE entering a trade. Bro, that's so pissing me off.
Absorption from the top, we're trying to absorb from the bottom as well. As soon as I open the trade, we have an absorption from the bottom with 70. Now I have to close this fucking trade manually, I guess. Again, buyers, sellers. I'm just opening the trade in the middle of fucking chaos. Where am I even trading, bro? Look at this shit. I had to fucking close this shit. I'm not thinking even about this. Right now it's becoming a hope trade without any fucking reason.
And watching this trade right now, I just clearly see that it was absolutely the same pattern like was at Tuesday and at Wednesday. In the market open, we're pushing down, then we do have some retest, and now we're looking for shorts from my zone. But at Tuesday and at Wednesday, pattern was the same, but confirmation wasn't. At Tuesday and at Wednesday, the confirmation was clear as day. We seen bubbles from my zone, we opened the trade. On Friday, there was 5 fucking bubbles from sellers, from buyers, from sellers, from buyers, so it's absolutely chaos. Everybody can win in this situation. Either buyers, either sellers. They are fighting with each other. It's not clear confirmation. That was my mistake. Which is again, I said on this video, always record your trades. Because afterwards, with a clear head, you can understand what was the mistake. So of course I got stopped out pretty easily. And what do you think? Was I able to stop? Fuck no, of course I wasn't. I was destroyed in the previous week. I was destroyed at Thursday. So I just increased my daily loss limit a little bit by $11 million. Oh, brother, what the fuck is this? I literally just removed my daily loss limit. So now the plan was very simple. Everything on black. Literally there was no options. I decided that I'm either gonna blow this shit or make the money back. But because I'm not completely mentally challenged, I decided that I'm gonna do it with $400 risk. Which means in order to blow my account, I have to hit at least 3 losing trades in a row. Old DOMOOORE will gonna spam the trades. But new DOMOOORE is actually going to try to find something interesting, good setups and everything like that. So the next setup was interesting because usually I'm not trading from my zone if we tap to the zone at least twice. But this zone was a little bit weird because before we were trading exactly in this zone, which means there was a lot of volume. And right after confirmation, I just opened my trade. Bro, this Ricky Morty. Then the next trade was clear as hell. Market started to do some sideways. My best case scenario because I love sideways so fucking much. Literally ping pong. We were trading between my zones. So as soon as I seen the confirmation, I opened my long. My entry wasn't great, so my take profit was a little bit too high. Basically, my take profit was even above my zone. And as soon as we tapped to my zone, we had confirmation. So I actually did a good decision. I'm not using break-evens, but at this time I did. Because there is absolutely no reason to stay in the trade if you do have confirmation from your zone. Like the price don't give a fuck about your take profit, okay? I do have my zones, I do have a confirmation that we're gonna reverse from there. There's absolutely no way that I will be in this trade from the correct perspective. It's a mistake to stay in this trade regardless. So I moved to break even, I hit my stop loss at break even. And in my opinion, I'm giving myself a credit for that. That was actually a good decision. Of course I had FOMO, like I had $300 in the position and we hit break even, but we didn't hit a stop loss and it was correct decision, so I was happy about this. But my next trade was absolute dog shit. I just reversed my trade, basically. Right after 1 or 2 minutes, I took break out of my zone for some reason. But there was no confirmation. I'm trying to take a break out of my zone, which is really stupid as hell. Like you moved to break even because we started to bounce from your zone and then you taking break out of your zone. Like what the fuck are you even doing?
Take profit is not that.
Borrow cum shot.
Excuse me, what did you do? You throwing 300 contracts on me. Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Then I again opened one more short, but this time that was actually okay setup. I waited for the confirmation, I opened clear trade, everything was good. But at the moment, I seen the chaos in the market. I seen that my balance is $420 negative. So I was like, I really don't want to lose this money in the position. So I'm moving to break even. In the previous trades, that was actually making sense. On this trade, it was the middle of nowhere. Like you're probably gonna be stopped out. And I did. And as soon as I got stopped out, we just flied to my fucking take profit.
We hit my break even. Now we wanna go down?
Yes.
Sure. No, you're such a piece of dog shit. I fucking hate you. I hate you. I swear on God right now. Tell me that market makers are not watching me. I'm losing my fucking mind already. I'm losing my fucking mind. I was stopped out 1 minute ago at the break. God damn it. Fucking hurts. Ooh, as soon as I got stopped out, never in your life use break even. Never in your life. Like I swear. Never use break even. I should delete this button from my fucking life.
That was absolutely my mistake. That's why I'm not using break evens, but at some cases it is makes sense. Like I'm still learning. Yes, I do have 1 year of experience, but 1 year of experience is literally nothing. Then I waited for the perfect confirmation from the bottom to open my long position. That was perfect trade, easy, just like that, hit take profit. And then the final trade. Absolutely legendary shit. Like I said before, I was convinced that we're gonna go down. Based on my experience, based on the market situation, I was like, literally we're gonna break this shit to the downside pretty fucking nicely. So I waited for the confirmation, I opened my short, and the price decided that is gonna be free therapy session. My stop loss was edged twice. Holy shit.
Like crazy absorption, by the way. This is A+ setup in my opinion. How we are pushing up? How the hell we are pushing up? No. Some crazy shit is going on. There is a crazy absorption over there. It's a really A+ setup. Wait. The heart is fucking beating like crazy. I'm sweating. Who is calling me? Go. Fucking market makers calling me?
No. Bang.
I increased my position in this trade, so I was risking still with $400, but my take profit was $800. I was chasing this fucking money that I lost yesterday. I'm transparent guy, I do understand that. But at the same time, this trade actually made sense. I was so convinced that we're gonna go down, that we're gonna break all these levels, that I was like, holy shit, it's gotta be it, it's gotta be it.
Oh damn, I'm nervous. This fucking loss from here, god damn. This trade can save the week. This trade can destroy the week. All the roads leads to Rome.
One more time.
All the roads leads to Rome.
No. Market maker, you are like, why?
Because.
All the roads leads to Rome.
Shawty bad, and she fine.
Yeah, take profit, everything great and all. But let's be real, broke discipline is basically the same as taking a loss. It doesn't matter how they ended if you're broke, you're disciplined. Please stick to your rules no matter what, because besides outcome like this, there will also be moments when you lose absolutely everything you have, and that shit is not easy to deal with. I know, I've been there. It's all on my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you the next time.